What's happening, guys?
What's going on?
Just finished a nice recipe with the Mother's Day special jerk bowl. And Nanny had some. Nanny had it. What do you think of it, Nanny?
Good.
Good,
It was
good.
great.
What do you mean good? What do you mean? The chicken?
Chicken.
How was the chicken? Spicy? Yeah, man.
Not
Jerk
too
chicken.
spicy, nice.
Nice. The bowl had jerk chicken inside,
Rice and peas,
plantain.
coleslaw.
Nah.
It's a great recipe, guys. It's
Trust
something
me.
that your mum, your grandmother, everybody in the family will love.
Also, this recipe is in our new cookbook.
Yes.
Link will be below. Like, share, comment. Enjoy this special day, guys, and make this delicious recipe for your mum, for your gran, just like we did.
Yes.